Alright guys, so this is Neumann TLM 103, and as you can see, the elastic bands are on the last minute. So it's time for an oil change. So I actually bought a new elastic band from Sweetwater, which the product code is 576567. And I don't know if it is a universal thing. Maybe you can probably purchase these on Amazon too. I'm not sure, but I put a link on the description wherever I find them. So these are actually 925, so it's not a bad cost actually. So all right, let's proceed to remove and exchange this band. All right, so I'm gonna basically take it off from everywhere. So I'm gonna remove the whole microphone, put them aside for now. All right, so it's off. Okay, so we're gonna proceed to put this on the top. And then the same thing happens on the bottom. Place it there. Make sure to pull a little bit. Just pull. And then hold it there. So it's a little tricky, so you have to play around by probably holding here. Maybe go to this guy instead. You know. And then once you have those 2 points, just hold it there and then just press it over here, and there you have it. Now you have the 4 right there. Okay, remember there's holes here, there's holes here, and you just fit it around. All right, so let's proceed and place the microphone. So make sure the Neumann logo is actually facing this way. That's where you're gonna sync. And then we're gonna proceed and place the bands to here. But make sure to go pull up, so that way there's pressure on the bands and they don't release by itself. Same thing here. Pull up and then click it there. I'm up and click it there. So I'm pressing up. So now that I'm already there, so I'm gonna make sure I press all the way down. No, I'm gonna pull this down, insert it there, and I'm gonna do the other side and click it there. So now we're almost there. So we're gonna same thing over here and there, and the last one over here, and is set to go. Cool. So that's pretty much how you do it. Okay, I guess we're set to go, and then we're set to start recording. There's an older version of this video. Put a link in the description if you want to watch that one as well too. It's a different way. I actually did it without the microphone, but just the holder of the microphone. But it's up to you if you want to watch it. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please put a thumbs up on my video, subscribe, support my channel, leave a comment if you have any question or just if you want to say anything. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.